come on, don't turn your back on it. Hey. Listen. How about this? I'll be the offensive and defensive coordinator, and you... Come on, I got a burp in there.
He's like slowly falling asleep.